the Boba Tea Shop.
Treat me like what?
Oh hell na, ano yung mukha na yan? Hindi. Oh my god, sinusundan niyo yung mouse ko. So ayun, maglalago nga tayo ng The Boba Tea Shop kung saan isa tayong bagista. And the rest will follow. Ang alam ko lang, bagista ka dito. This game contains loud noises, jump scares, and unsettling content. Okay. Grand opening. After saving up for 5 years, I finally have enough money to open my own boba tea shop. This is it. The moment where all those long corporate days finally pay off in the form of boba and dreams. Wow. But even with all this excitement, my nerves are on edge. I put everything into this place, I can let it fall. Oh hell naman, napaka-unsettling nung sound. Okay. Wow. Kitang city lights. Nice. Flip store signage to open. Okay. Okay. Prepare for customers. Go to your counter and close the counter door. Okay. Uy, first customer. It's about time a boba tea shop opened around here. I'll have a boba milk tea. Okay. Fill up cup with black tea and add milk and boba. Siguro ito yun. Black tea container. Okay. Black tea and add milk. Then... Oh! Sorry! Oh, no, hindi. Okay. Ito. Sorry na. Saan yung milk? Milk. Where do I get the milk? Ito, milk. Okay. I drop it here. And there we go. You can only deliver drinks to customer after sealing the cup. Ay, sorry na, sorry. Okay, yan, ito na po sa akin na bell. Thank you. Oh. 1, 2, 3. Uy! Thank you sa tip! Okay, some customer may ask for specific requests. Listen carefully and don't mess up their orders. Okay. A construction worker. Hello. What's all this fuss about these drinks? Wow. Sir! Ang milk tea ay meron tapioca, also known as boba. Boba! Ay, pipili pala ako. Hindi ko babasahin. These drinks are trending among youngsters. You should try one. Yeah, exactly. Alright then, I'll take 1 boba milk tea for my son and 1 black tea for myself. Okay. Not sure I tries those 2 things. Okay, ayaw niya ng ano. Okay, boba. Add boba. Thank you. Okay, tama. Boba milk tea, black tea. Okay. Here we go. There we go. This better be good. Talaga lang. Ha. Uy. $11. Okay, next. May bata. Bata, may pera ka, bata? Yay, a boba tea shop. Yay, may bata. Gabi na. Big sis, can I get 1 fresh milk with boba, please? Okay. 1 fresh milk with boba. Gatas. Ba't tayo mo magtsaa? Okay, nice. Here you go. Milk, boba. Thank you. Big sis, you should add strawberry boba to the menu. Magbayad ka muna. It will be a bestseller for sure. Magbayad ka muna. Okay. Strawberry. Expanding the menu could be a good idea. I will do some research after posting. Dadagdag agad.
Treat me like what?
Oy! Pugi! Oh, okay. Oh wow, I wasn't expecting to see such beautiful lady behind the counter. Lande, kagi. Any drink will do as long as you add in some boba sweet as you. Malandi ka, boy. Ay, ganito pala yung POV nila. Okay. Wait, ano? Custom drink order. yung specialty ngayon eh. Ito si Kaulo, sweet as you. Si Kaulo. Ayan. G, thanks. Also, you look really cute. Can I have your number? Nah! Wait lang, ba't ako nag-gayak? Sure, give fake number. No. Yan, shucks. Oh well, can't be a blame. Here is a liter extra. Okay. Thank you na lang. Pakangas ang buhok mo ah. This is all for today. I should clean the shop and prep for tomorrow. Okay. Leave storage to close. Grabe ang... Ay! Puta mo! Ka! What the f***? Reset! I'm sorry, hindi! Natakot. I said we're about to close it out to Kashin. Ni! It's fine, ka order to ka. Take your order. Oh my god. Thank you so much. Okay. Buisit to! Nakakatakot ka, leche. I'll take one boba milk tea with extra boba. Say what? I'll take one boba milk tea with... okay. Boba milk tea. Okay. 2 boba. Okay. There we go. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Oh my god, sa wakas. Miss ka na. Jesus. Okay, close. Raulo! Keep the chairs. What do you mean? Okay. Take mop from the staff room, clean dirt spots on the floor. Staff room. Okay. Saan yung map? Ayun yung map. Okay. There we go. Oy! Nagsaka ka. Dirt. Isa pa. Isa pa. Okay, exit the shop. Wait lang, hindi ko na to anin. Okay, uwi na ako. Oh, di ba? Sabi ko sa'yo eh, keep the map. Kaya pauwi mo agad ako, hindi ko pa nalalagay ito sa loob. Akin na, ayan na. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, tapos na ang day 1. What the heck? Ano na yan? Okay, day 2. I have introduced the coffee series into the menu. Should keep those workaholic awake. Okay? Also, thanks to that little girl's suggestion. I have added. Oh my god, bakit? Time to wow the customer with some new drinks. The recipe for the new drink is jotted down on whiteboard in the staff room. Okay. Go to your counter and close the counter door. Okay, ito na. Pasok mga suke. Presyong bibi. Surya. Okay. O, ikaw na naman ulit. Kamusta ang imong drinks? I see you have added some coffee and drinks to the menu. Give me 1 boba milk tea and 1 Americano. Okay. Boba milk tea, 1 Americano. You got it. Boba milk tea, 1 Americano. Wait lang, Americano. Wait. Paano ba yung Americano? Americano, fresh milk. Okay, Americano. Isang ang ano yan. Ito lang ganyan, Americano lang yan. What the? Oy! Nagsasayang tayo. Boba and then gatas. There we go. Boba milk, isang Americano. Ay, nga pala. Ito, sorry na. Nakakalimutan ko lagi yung sealant. Okay, Americano. Ayan. Pa dito. Heis, ang basic maging barista. Joke lang, hindi. Naganasa ko na yon. And here you go. Thanks. Just a heads up for you. I will be running maintenance of the electrical circuit of this building. So expect some power outage from time to time. Oh naman. Pwedeng wag na lang muna ngayon. Pwede kung kailan day off ko na, please! Okay, hello. Order ka na, awa mo na lang. Give me 2 bobas to cover your milk tea. Hurry up, need my energy replenished after the whole day of working. Wait lang, kalma. Kaka-order mo lang. Diyos ko naman, oo. Tama. Milk tea, black tea, fresh milk. Add strawberry for sweet aroma, add boba for... Tama. Boba strawberry milk tea. Dalawa ba? Ba't dalawa? Grabe naman to. Strawberry, oh, ayan na. There you go. Grabe, dalawa. Kaya mo yan ubusin? Hindi ka kaya maduwal? Never mind. Oh. Add it there. Matuk... Oh, kakawag mo lang kayo. Almost that. Come on, man. May mga customer talaga na entitled. Oh, tignan mo. Get that. Oh, no. Joke lang po yun. Oh, hello ulit.
Dinagdag ko na yung
No, strawberry order ka ba? Yeah, this shopping into your menu. Exactly. Please make me any drink with strawberries in it. Okay, custom order. Oh no. Awa na lang please. Wag ka ganyan. Feeling ko may mali dito. Oh my god. Please. Tumatayo yung balahibo ko. Awa na lang. Ito na. Ayoko muna umalis siya, please. Oh my god. Did you not pay your KCB fixes? Nagbayad ako eh. Pay sa liter sa for your electric. Okay, thank you. Ang yaman mo naman, bata ka. Nagbayad ako, please lang. Ayoko ng ganyan. Thank you. Huwag ka muna umalis. Oh no. Oh, nagbukas. Ano to? Oh hell naman. Uy, g***! Hello? What's wrong with the store? Uy! Hindi nahulog. There's no electricity. Anyway, give me a cup of strawberry milk tea. Strawberry milk tea coming right up. Strawberry milk tea. Tama, strawberry milk tea. There we go. Ito na po. Oh, thanks for doing your job. I mean, I own this store. Next. Oh. Annyeonghaseyo. Hey there, it's me again from just now. So I want to inform you that I completed electrical maintenance. You shouldn't be experiencing any power outage anymore. Okay. That's all, bye. Ay, hello po. Ano yan? Well, hello there. This place has a really cozy vibe. Thank you. So many choices. I don't even know where to start. Say, do you have any caffeinated milky drinks? Yes. Caffeinated milky drinks. Oh, wait. Caffeinated milky drinks. Okay, caffeinated milky drinks. Here you go. Latte. Just how I like my coffee. Smooth, creamy, and milky. Okay. Here's a little tip for making it how I like it. Okay, thank you. Ha 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 ha. Okay. Okay, magka-close na tayo. Please lang wala nang hahabol. Oh, nagbakat. Okay, clean your shop or end shift. Nako, end this. Siyempre, kailangan natin magkaigo. Kailangan natin maglinis lagi. Okay, there we go. Oo nga pala, dati ako nagtatrabaho sa fast food restaurants and also sa isang restaurant. So, talagang kaigo yung gagawin nyo doon kada end of shift. Anong OT? Thank you ang OT. Pero mali yun, pwede nyo i-report. Okay, yung map. Okay, there we go. Nakaigo na ako. Thanks. Okay, end my shift. Wala nang kalat. Okay, bye-bye. Day 3. Parang may mali sa sounds pa lang. I've added chocolate series into the menu. Now my customers will have more variety of drinks to choose from. Ang dami! May aircon ba tayo dyan? Oy, ikaw na naman. Hello. Give me a cup of boba mocha. Make sure you do it right. Wait lang, check ko paano ba yung boba mocha. Mocha, Americano plus chocolate. Okay. Americano plus chocolate. Boba mocha. Tama. Boba mocha. Okay. There we go. There you go. Yeah, this looks fine. Anyway, have you heard about the woman who jumped from this building? Oh, hell no. So, yun yung sa day 2. Buisit! Babae pala yung tumalo na yun dito. Oh my god. The stress must have gotten to her. I understand working in a corporate job is stressful. Corporate life isn't easy, but some of us have image to maintain. Okay, you won't get it working on a low stress job like this. Wow! Entitled. Entitled ka, te! Okay. Gaganyan ko lang yan para makita ko yung... Ayan. Annyeonghaseyo! Well, hey there. Nice to see you again. Could you give me 1 chocolate milk? I've had enough of coffee this morning. Okay, 1 chocolate milk. Ay! Ano yun? Nakita nyo po yun? Boss, nakita nyo yun? Oh my God. Ano yun? Anyway, nakalimutan ko yung order mo. Chocolate milk. Visit na yan eh. Oh my God, I can't. Visit. Sobrang focus ko sa goal. Hindi ko na napapansin yung mga horror dito. Okay, go. Okay, there you go. Thank you. Thank you din. Okay. Pwede wag ka umalis. Pwede magka-customer kagad. Ay po, ikaw na naman. Ano yan? Oh, mamadali ka na naman. Give me a double boba strawberry chocolate milk. Double boba strawberry chocolate milk. Double bo. Ay, double boba pala yon. Diyan ka muna. Okay na. Oh my God. So, this is not what I ordered. You can... What? Double boba. Makakaltasan ako. Double boba. Strawberry chocolate milk. Oh my God. Double boba, chocolate milk. Ayun na. Strawberry lagi ko nakakalimutan. Oh, ayan. Ito. Ito kailangan na ko na. Bala ka dyan. Buisit. Nakatatlong mali ako. Katis yun. Fast food. Makakaltasan ako nun. Hello? Uy, lalaki naman. Ano boy? I miss. I really like your boba tea. My dad always gets it for me. But he's super busy. I can't get it for him instead. Oh! Oy, ano yun? Oy! Kasi lang, kapal na mukha. Boba milk tea. Boba. Boba milk tea. There we go. Next, mocha. Ano nga ba ulit si mocha? Americano plus chocolate. Okay? Americano plus chocolate. There we go. Okay, ayan. There we go. Thanks, miss. Waiting for my dad every day is boring. Saan yung nagsiyak na yun? Hindi ko pupuntahan yun. Ba't mo pupuntahan yun? Okay, next. Anyo. Uy. Anyo kasi. Uy. Wait. Baka may mali. You don't happen to have any matcha drinks, do you? Oh, wala akong matcha. That's a shame. I really love matcha. Oh, well, in that case, I'll take boba chocolate. Oh, wala kami matcha. Ano ulit yun? Boba chocolate. Boba chocolate. There we go. Boba chocolate. Matcha talaga hanap mo. Ay, nako. Ayun na. There you go. Thanks, but seriously, add some matcha to the menu and you'll see me here all the time. Okay. Ay, nako. Pero ano nangyari doon? Sigado ko nga yung rep. Hello. Grabe na nga pang corporate. Hello there, sweetie. Such a lovely little shop you have here. Thank you. Could I have a cup of strawberry chocolate, please? Strawberry chocolate. Strawberry chocolate. Oh my God. Strawberry chocolate. Ito na. Thank you, sweet. Thank you. You look like pale. Like you even ghost or something. You should get them. Can be unkind to the rest. Hindi! Ikaw ba naman makakita ng ano doon? Oh. It is closing time now. I should probably check if anyone's still in the toilet. Meron pa yung lalaki. Oh my God, nandito yun. Sira ulo ka. Oh my God. Oh, hell naman. Sa lalaki yun. Oh, oh. Babae. Saan yun? Ay! Pusit! Putek! Sasakado ko na ano yun. What? Check, we are closing soon. Are you going to order? Oh my god, oo nga. What? Ano yun? I'm seeing things lately. I should have leave early and get professional help. Exactly, man. Come on. Gogi. Hindi. Wait lang. Kailangan ko mag-map. Kaigo. Kahit ano mangyari, nakakita ka ba? Map! Oh, hindi. Exactly, ba't kailangan ko pa maglinis? Hindi! I've been feeling off lately. Maybe it's just the stress. I even went to see a psychologist about it. He said I'm fine, it's all in my head. I can't stop now. Business is picking up with the new menu and I need to keep things running. Okay, siguro nagdagdag ka ng matcha? Uy, ba't nagkaka-couch ka? Wait lang, tumatawag. Hello? Hello, is this Mr. Kisa? This Dr. Amanda, a psychologist from yesterday. I wanted to check in on you. You mentioned seeing things that can happen when you're under a lot of stress. No, man. If this is something that isn't really there, try shifting your focus away and take a deep breath for a few seconds. Okay? Most of the time, that should help. But if doesn't, maybe consider leaving work early and getting some rest. Okay. Bubuksan ko lang yan para makita ko yung mga menu. Pasok po mga suki. Yes. Presyong DB. Uy, si Bugos Walis. Hello. Yeah, give me 2 Americanos, 1 latte, and 1 mocha. And none of that boba crap. Okay, huwag ka naman magalit. Latte. Paano yung latte? Americano plus fresh milk. Okay. Americano. Ayun. Americano. Latte, tama. Latte, tsaka mocha. Okay. Latte, tsaka mocha. Ano ba ito sa mocha ulit? Matcha pala yung nasa isip ko, sorry. Ayan na. Good, everything's here. Hitting the road with my family. Gotta keep them awake so they don't pass out on me. What? At least may business ako. Next. Hello. Uy, gagi. Ano yan? Tugo ba yan? Boba matcha latte. Make it quick. Boba matcha. Wait lang. Paano ko gagawa matcha? Matcha milk tea. Green tea plus milk. Saan yung ano? Matcha milk tea. Green tea. Paano? Green tea black tea plus matcha powder. Green tea. Matcha powder. Tapos, wait lang sir matcha powder. Green tea plus matcha powder. Green tea. Matcha milk tea. Green tea plus milk. Okay. Boba matcha latte. Oh my god. Ang dami naman nito. Boba matcha milk tea. Ito na. Okay na. Natagalan. Here you go. This now. Boba matcha milk tea. Latte! Paano yung latte? Americano plus fresh milk. Boba matcha. Powder. Ayun! Oh my god. Boba nagawa ko rin. Wait lang. Tapon kita. Sorry na. Natagalan. Oh my god. Thank you. Running a company isn't easy, you know. Just the other day, one of my employees decided to run away from her. Go. Left a mess behind and now I have to clean it up for her. Oh my god! Unlike her, I don't get the luxury of walking away. Hindi. Hundreds of people rely on me to feed their families. Thankfully, I found a replacement fast. Sorry, that was weird thing to rant about. You consider leaders of her trouble. Gagi, ano yun? Oh my god. Ba't sa akin mo sinabi? Feeling ko yun yung babaeng tumalon. Okay, next. Hingang malalim. Wala lang yon. Okay, thank God may tao ulit. Okay, hello. You have added matcha, that's awesome. Can I have boba strawberry matcha milk tea? Strawberry matcha. Wait lang, paano ulit yung matcha? Uy! Oh my God, hindi. Ano to? Ano yun? Ano yun? Oh my God, strawberry green tea. Ano yun? What? Boba strawberry matcha milk. Boba strawberry matcha milk. Boba strawberry matcha. Tama ba to? Strawberry matcha milk tea. Strawberry matcha milk tea. Ba't nagiging bata yun? Oh my God. Come on naman, Les, please. Nag-hallucinate ako. Awa na lang. Ano yun? Ito na po. Thank you. Here's some extra for you. Thank you ulit. Visit. Okay, next. Nag-hallucinate na. Okay. Hello. Oh my God. Thank God. Nandito ka. Okay, ano yan? Please make me any drink with strawberry again. Okay. Strawberry lang pala eh. Strawberry. Strawberry milk tea. Lagyan natin yan ng boba. There you go. Oh my God. Nag-hallucinate ako. Okay, here you go. Thank you again, Big Sis. Here's the direction for your hard work. Thank you. Next. Oh, hello. Nandito ka na naman. Corporate. Hello. Give me a strawberry mocha. Okay. Strawberry mocha. Strawberry mocha. Wait lang. Mocha. Strawberry. Strawberry mocha. Okay. Okay. Here you go. Thank you. Great. Now back to working. I go. Okay, bye-bye. Next. It is time to close. Wait lang. Maglilinis ako. Kasi, hello? Pwede ko ba makuha yung map? Okay, ito na. Post ko yan. Dugo! Man! Close. Okay, clean your shop and your shift. Ito na. Duda ako dito. Tumataas na naman balahibo ko dito. Oh my God. I can't. Okay, ito na. Maglilinis na ako. Dirt. Chair. Kaigo. Oh my God. Ano to? Okay. Uy, dugo talaga, man. Or strawberry yun. Okay. Uy. Okay. Let's get the shop. Okay, bye-bye. Oh, day 5. Okay. Nice. Day 5. I haven't really been feeling like myself lately, okay? Maybe it's just stress or nothing get enough sleep. Ganyan talaga sa mga business ko. Meron kami dating business burger. Like, feeling mo drained ka pero deep inside hindi pa talaga. Pero ayun, parang madadown ka kasi like, come on man. Ang dami mga kasi kasi yung bibili ka ng mga products. Tapos babiyahe ka pa, syempre dadalhin mo yun. Tapos asikasuhin mo pa, magpe-prepare ka, magbubukas ka. So ayun, share ko lang. But I've got a business to run. Exactly. And people are starting to come back more often. Just gonna keep going one cup at a time. Medyo madilim yung paningin niya. Pero sige. Pwede bang... Okay. Dilim nga ng paningin niya. Come on. Hello? Yoy, si Maintainer. Could I get a boba milk tea and one boba Americano? Yeah, I know I said I didn't trust boba. Got myself finally talking to me trying it. Guess there's a first time for everything. Exactly. So, boba milk tea. Okay. Buksan natin to. Yan. Boba milk tea. Boba... Wait, milk tea yung nga pala gatas. Okay na. Boom. Boba milk tea. Tsaka... Ano yun? What? Oh, hell na. Hingang malalim. Wag mo na lingonin, please. Hindi na ako lilingon. Ano to? Oh, hindi na ako lilingon. Boba Americano. Okay. So, we're gonna pretend nothing has happened. Nandun pa rin yung bata. Like, come on. Focus sa goal. Yan. Thank you. Thanks. You didn't have to choke me to death. I'm coming back to... What? Oh, hell no, man. Hindi ako titingin dyan. Oh, hindi pa rin ako titingin. Wala yan. Oh, thank you. Hindi dito. Nandidilim paningin ko. Ano nangyayari? Hello, dearie. Could I have a cup of green tea, please? Okay po. Green tea. Doon pa rin yung bata. Come on, focus. Wala yan. Just a take deep breath, man. Come on. The yin energy in this place strong. Gives me goosebumps. Oh, it better be livable while I still can. Oh my god. Kailangan mo na rin umalis. Please lang. Ay! Hindi ko! Lumayo ka. Oh my god. Ano yan? Oh, hindi. Oh my god. I can't do this, man. Ano po yon? Double boba matcha milk tea. Hagi. Or else. Double boba milk tea. Double boba matcha milk tea. Double mocha. Matcha. Double boba. Double boba. Ay! Gago ka! Gago to! Hindi, ano nagyari doon? Double boba. Matcha milk tea. Double. Tatandaan natin, double mocha. Come on, dali. Ayan na nga siya. Okay, game face on. Come on. Iuusog ko lang headset ko, lugi. Okay, thank you. Okay. Drop this out. Oh my god. Ayun na, thanks. Come on. Kaya natin to. Takatalunin kita. Ayun na siya, lalapit na siya. Sige, anong order mo? Kaya kita. Huwag mo ko tawanan. Anong order mo? Double boba matcha. Double boba matcha. Come on. Ito na. Come on. Ano ah. Kaya kita. Ayun na. Ate there. Thank you. Bye-bye. May pera pala yung mga multo. Ano? Kaya mo pa ako? Wala ka na, boy. Umalis ka. Hello, nice to meet you. I am an inspector from Department of Health. I need to run a quick cleanliness check on your shop. This is to make sure your shop meets the standard method. Or you may continue serving your customer normally. Just pretend I'm not here. Okay? Hello. Oh my god, thank god may mga tao na. Totoong tao. Pero ba't parang, hi big sis, I'm kinda bored of strawberry. Can I try lemon tea instead? Okay, paano ba yung lemon tea? Lemon tea. Black tea plus lemon. Okay. Black tea plus lemon. Lemon tea. Uy! Pumasok, lemon tea. Ang dilim, ba't dumidilim? Ganito ba yung mga stress nang didilim yung paningin? Thank you, big sis. Okay, thank you din. Oh my god. Huwag mo sabihin na hallucinations ko lang din yun. Ano nga sa'yo? Anything matcha and sweet will do. Hello. Anything with matcha. Strawberry. Anything matcha and sweet will do. Oh my god. Mali. Wait. Kailangan ko ng gatas. Yan. Thank you. Gata yung balahibo ko. Like, come on. Dali. Yan na. Oh, this is perfect. Here, take this. Thank you. Okay. Oh, ano, kumusta? Alright. Everything appears to be sparkling clean. Thank you so much for your time and have a nice day. Okay. Thank you. I don't feel so good. I should have left this office room. Close. Exit the shop to end ship. Kailangan ko lang maglinis. Ito na. Malinis naman. Okay, bye-bye. Oh my god, may day 6 pa. Ano yun? Okay, every day it feels like I'm sleeping further. Things I see, sometimes they're there, sometimes they're not. I didn't know what's real anymore. The shop is in my dream. I worked too hard to let it all fall apart now. So I'll smile or serve and I'll keep going. Hindi! Oh my god! Nakita mo ba yung mumo? Gagi. Ang dilim man. May mali na alam ko na to eh. Ang dilim mo. Come on. Hello? Ang didilim na yung paningin. Hindi ko na to alam. Oy, God. Nakakatakot ka. Yo, had the best road trip of my life. And look at you, still slaving away behind the counter. Okay. What a loser. Anyway, give me a matcha latte and strawberry mocha. Ano ulit? Matcha latte. Ay! Hindi! Oh my God, ano yun? Ay, may multo na naman! Matcha latte. May mumo. Like, come on. Matcha. Ano ba yan? Mumo. Matcha latte. With lang ha, papasok lang ako ha. Matcha latte. Ito nga tayo balayibo ko, hindi ko kaya magano ng ganyan. Okay, there we go. Tsaka strawberry mocha. Okay, pwedeng magstay ka muna, please. Please, ayun na. Nice, you do know how to follow the instruction. Guess even losers can learn. Okay, please lang. Ay, ayoko na. Usog ko yung headset ko kasi nakakatakot yan, man. Come on. Get out of here. Ay, ano yun? Oh, hell no, man. Kailangan mo na umalis. Please, come on. Ano na yun? Just give me any strong coffee, no milk. Okay, I make it quick. Some of us are real jobs to back to. Okay. Coffee. Come on. Coffee. Coffee ka naman. Coffee. For a second there, I thought I'd have to teach you how to brew coffee. Okay. Please, umalis na kayo. Awa na lang. Hindi, ayun yung pumatay oh. Hindi ako. Diyos ko naman. I have business to take care of, man. Come on. Apat na sila. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Apat nga sila. Oh my God. Hindi. Corporate. Hello. Boba matcha milk tea. Boba matcha. Again. Boba matcha. Boba matcha. Gagi. Boba. Oh my God! Hindi ako makapag-work. Boba. Matcha. Putek. Ano to? On man, please. To boba matcha. Oh my God, good job, I guess. Okay? Come on, man. Umalis ka na, please lang. Umalis ka na. Ay, hindi! Ano yan? Ay! Hide! Buka! Bala ka dyan. Hide, man. Come on. Locker. Oh, shit. Hindi ko to gusto. Pero feeling ko hindi dito siya. Pero nag-hide na ako. Come on. Kailangan ko ba mag-crouch? Okay, naka-hide na ako. Oh my God, wala na. I'm dead, man. I'm dead. Come on, man. Come on, I'm dead. Okay, I'm dead. Am I? Okay. Ah, thank God. Hello. Ano? Where the hell have you been? I've been ringing the bell for 10 minutes. Oh, sinungaling. Not everyone has time to sit around and wait for you to finish whatever you were doing. I could walk away. Dami mong alam. The trip customer no wonder it's right. You can't just leave the counter like that. Oh my God, ano si Vio? Oh my God, nag-day 7 ka pa. Damn, I need to pee so badly. Okay. Just get your from here and use the toilet. Okay. Oh my God, it says staff only want a selfish store. Murder drink first, then sneak while she's not looking. Okay. So, okay, let me drink first. Hey there, what can I get to you today? Ito na lang. Pwede ba? I'm so sorry. Ano, nahihina ako. Bahala ka dyan. Ay! Mo! Ba't may patay? Who do such a thing? I need to leave immediately and call the police. Oh, exactly, gagi naman. Okay, nothing happened, please. Ay! Mo! What the fuck? Hindi! Gagi naman. I told you, the toilet is first up. Hindi, napatay ka dahil doon, man. When nobody ever listens to me, not when they look at me like I'm a failure. Okay, nagets ko na. But they keep coming in with their eyes staring, judging. Okay. Okay, mukhang nag-crash out na to. Valid. This job is my sanctuary, my little world. Okay? So I can't let you ruin it. Okay. Not you, not her, not the shadows. Okay. Didn't want this, but you left me no choice. Oh, hell no, man. Pinatay ka lang kasi makikiihi ka. Oh my God, na alam ko ng jump scares to. Okay? Shame that you don't get to enjoy my boba drink. Oh no, man. Patay. Oh. Oh, hell naman. Baliw na siya.